So this is the beginning of my version of Patti Jinich's salsa that is made with only tomatoes and jalapeños that are roasted and charred. I do mine on the grill. And this is one of my favorite salsas in the entire world. Only 3 ingredients: tomatoes, jalapeños, and salt. Let's see how this batch comes out. Ooh, that's nice. Look at that. So I'm going to give it about a quarter of a turn for that one. This one a whole turn because it's smaller. And I'm really trying to get these nice and charred. As soon as they are nice and charred, I'm going to take them off. Remove the stems if there are any stems left. And we'll put them in order. Oh God, these are good. That is very hot. Take these charred tomatoes off the grill, turn it off. I'm going to put them, skin and all, in the blender cup. And what you're after is all of that char that we've got on there.